Walking with the ghost.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is how I do a quick winged eyeliner. But before we get into this video, if this is your first time to this channel, you're welcome. I'm going to show you some products you can actually use to line your eyes. First one is a pencil, an eye pencil. You can actually use this to line your eyes, but I don't really recommend this for beginners. Another type of eyeliner you can use, this is from Maybelline, and I actually like this because the brush is very thick, so it's actually easy to use. Another product you can use to line your eyes, I like this one because let me show you how it looks inside. See, the brush is very thick, so it's something that as a beginner you can actually use. You can actually have control when you use it, so I would recommend this for beginners. What I'm going to be using today is this one by Sheglam. So you measure from here, from the end of your eyes to the tip of your, or the end of your eyebrows too, so something like this. So put a mirror in front of you or below you, and then look into your eyes, or look into what you're doing, look into the mirror and line your eyes. So the first thing is you would want to draw a line up. You see, draw a line like that. If you make mistake, it's not a problem. You can actually clean that off anytime. So the second thing is you take it down, like create like you take from this part. It's hard to talk and actually do this thing. So you go up and try to drag it down like this, and then try to fill it in. Then you start to fill towards your tear dot. Then you fill everything and make sure that the size from here, or the size from this place to this place, is not the same. This place is usually thinner, so let's try and make it bold. This is it. You see, I have hooded eyes, so if you see this part of my eyes is up, so if I let this part touch here, it's going to stain it because it's folding. I'm going to show you how I do the right side. Ta-da! See, so this is actually it. I use a concealer. If you know you made any mistake at the end of the day, you could use concealer to clean any form of mistake. Thank you guys so much for staying till the end of this tutorial. I'll see you all in my next video.